Options: legal advice from a lawyer on an IELTS Independent Investigation Process. What is legal advice? Legal advice is defined as acting on behalf of someone and advising them of a direction in which to construct their legal position. What is an IELTS Independent Investigation Process? An IELTS Independent Investigation Process is a procedure-oriented process that states an objective view that intends to guide you through an event. It is designed to place you in a strategic position to receive a fair remark of your test or for IDP Education to refund. Option 1. A lawyer assisting with your IELTS test complaint. A lawyer can give legal advice with an IELTS complaint by identifying breaches of the Australian consumer law. Once breaches are identified, the lawyer can persuade IDP Education to rectify the situation by properly remarking your IELTS test paper or reimbursing you the test fees that were in breach of the Australian consumer law. Lawyers can charge about $300 Australian per hour as a minimum for legal advice, and it would take about 15 hours to fully complete a complaint. The total legal fee would be $4,500 Australian dollars, and the benefit would be that you could get your test fees reimbursed. The price can make this option impractical, and it may be quicker and cheaper to receive another test. Option 2. IELTS Independent Investigation Process. An independent investigation process assists an IELTS test candidate can learn and follow a complaint process to help them for a cost-effective price in comparison to the IELTS test fee. Their fee is $330 Australian dollars, and the goal of the IELTS Independent Investigation Process aims to get your IELTS test properly remarked or your money back from the test that you failed. Option 3. You can complain solely on your own. To complain on your own is possible. However, the process may take a little longer than the two above options. If your goal is to get your money back from the test that you failed, then you have up to 7 years to start your complaint. You will need to research sections of the Australian consumer law and complain in writing with IDP Education. If you are unable to resolve the complaint, you can submit your complaint to a small claims court or tribunal. So what's the best option? Firstly, IDP Education have refined a process of making as much money out of IELTS test candidates. So when you complain, you need to be strategic and focus on what your goals are. Most people's goal is to pass their IELTS test so they can gain permanent residency. In our opinion, the IELTS Independent Investigation Process is a cost-effective solution and has a money-back guarantee.